In this video, I'm going to show you how to get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. First, open Google Search and type Reader's iPhone emoji. Click on the RedCider website, scroll down, and tap on Download iOS Emoji app. Then tap Download Anyway to start the download. After the file is downloaded, open it and install the app. Once installed, tap on Open. Now, turn on Emoji Keyboard 10 by tapping the toggle and then tap Activate. Next, tap on Switch to Emoji Keyboard. By default, your current keyboard will be selected. Choose Emoji Keyboard 10 from the list and allow all the required permissions. Now let's check it out. As you can see, all the iPhone emojis are now showing on my device. And that's how you can get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.